If you are a small business owner in Bhubaneswar and you are not getting customers from Google, then you are missing out on a free traffic every single day. In this video, I am going to show you local SEO tips for Bhubaneswar that actually work in 2026. No complicated theory, no technical confusion, just practical steps you can apply today. Whether you run a sub-service clinic or even a small startup, this video can help you bring in more local customer. So let's get started into it. Right now, when someone searches best salon in Bhubaneswar, AC repair near me, digital marketing service in Bhubaneswar, Google shows 3 to 5 businesses at the top. Those businesses are getting 90% of the customers. The question is why not you? Tip 1. First and most important, Google business profile. If you haven't created it yet, you are already behind. Search your business name on Google. If it doesn't show on the map, fix that today. Here what you need to do. Add your correct business name, choose the right category, add real photos of your shop or office, write a proper business description with Bhubaneswar keyword, and most importantly, reviews. Ask your customers to leave reviews. Even 10 to 20 good reviews can push your ranking up. Pro tip: reply to every review Google like active businesses. Now comes tip 2. Use Bhubaneswar keywords. Second, use location based keywords. Don't just write best service, write best service in Bhubaneswar. Even better, use area specific keywords like Patia, Khandagiri, Sahidnagar. Example, instead of digital marketing service, use digital marketing service in Bhubaneswar. This helps Google understand where your business belongs. Tip number 3. Third tip, create local content. If you have a website or blog, write content like best gyms in Bhubaneswar or top restaurants in Patia or affordable services in Bhubaneswar. Why this works? Because people are already searching these terms. And when your content ranks, you get traffic plus trust. Even if you don't have a website, start with simple blogs or even YouTube videos. Tip number 4. NAP consistency. NAP means name, address, phone number. Your business details should be exactly the same everywhere. Google, Just Dial, Sulekha, IndiaMat, even small differences confuse Google. So keep everything consistent. Tip number 5. Local listings. Next, list your business on local directories in India platforms like Just Dial, Sulekha, IndiaMat. Still gives a good local signals. Create profiles there and add business details, photos, services. This increases your visibility and builds trust. Tip 6. Mobile optimization. Most people in Bhubaneswar search from mobile. So if your website is slow or looks bad on mobile, you lose customers. Make sure website loads fast, buttons are clickable, phone number is easy to tap. Simple things, but they matters a lot. Tip number 7. Social signals. Don't ignore social media. Post regularly on Instagram, Facebook. Share customer work before or after results, local updates. Even Google checks social signals indirectly. Now the end part. So these were the most practical local SEO tips for Bhubaneswar. If you apply even 3 to 4 of this consistently, you will start seeing results. Remember, local SEO is not about doing everything once. It's about consistency. So now tell me in the comment section what business are you running in Bhubaneswar. I will try to guide you personally. And if you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more real digital marketing content. See you in the next video.